morning, Mia.
Good morning, Ben. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too.
May I borrow your crayon, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you, Mia.
You're welcome.
Oh, hi there. Did you notice how Mia and Ben talked to each other? They used polite greetings and expressions. Polite greetings are kind words we say when we meet or leave someone. People often greet each other by saying good morning or hello, and say farewell with goodbye or see you later. We also use polite expressions to show respect and good manners. For examples, we say please when we ask for something. We say thank you when we receive something. We say you're welcome when someone thanks us. We say sorry or excuse me when we make a mistake or need to pass. Using polite words makes others feel happy, respected, and cared for. Now, let's see if you can spot the polite words. I will say some sentences. Your job is to guess if the sentence is polite or not polite. Are you ready? Here's the first one. Please pass the paper. Is this polite or not polite? The answer is polite. Great job! Saying please shows good manners. Now the second one. Give me that. What do you think? Polite or not polite? This time the answer is not polite. That sounded a little rude, didn't it? But don't worry, we can always remember to add please. After that, here's the third one. Thank you for helping me. Polite or not polite? The answer is polite. Wonderful. Saying thank you shows we are kind and grateful. Let's have the fourth one. Move, you're in my way. Is this polite or not polite? The correct answer is not polite. Oops, that doesn't sound very nice. We can say, excuse me instead. Finally, the last one. Good morning, teacher. What do you say, polite or not polite? The answer is polite. Fantastic. What a friendly way to start the day. Great job, everyone! I'm so proud of how well you spotted the polite words today. Always remember, use polite words to show respect and kindness. Polite greetings make conversations friendly. Practice saying please, thank you, excuse me, and sorry every day. And if you want to practice even more, we've got something special for you. You can download the free worksheets we've created. Just go to the comment box and look for the link. In addition, we also have a free handout as a study guide, which is the perfect pair for your worksheet. Keep practicing your polite words and you'll become even more respectful and kind every single day.